Hello everyone, here is another day on sourdough. Today we have herbs and spices inclusion, leaf scoring and open bag. Please come to the kitchen with me. We have fun together. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So you see, I have 10 herbs and spices there. Please head to the description box below for the measurement and what kind. Now, I already mixed. You can check out the link that I leave in the description box below, how I make the dough. This is my go-to recipe, easy and no waste and success every time. This is the time that is done bulk fermentation, and now I do the lamination so that I can include my herbs and spices. If you follow me, I made sourdough for my husband and he don't eat salt, so I've been doing without salt on along. People say that I need to add salt for flavor, but actually you don't need it. You can do spices, and on these spices I can review with you now, like onion powder, garlic powder, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger powder, parsley, oregano, chia seeds, you see my turmeric still stick to the little container there, so I try to get on, no wasted. So far I just sprinkle everywhere on my dough, and now I will close it up and I will sprinkle more. This is ultimate spices and herbs. When you're done baking, it will smell so good. That's what the men say. And you can feel that for yourself too. So for the last phone, I put more spices and herbs here. Now I can say a little bit for the Benetton. You can see I put the mixer on everywhere. You can share with me your better method to do the inclusion. I think I'm done now. So I do the shaping. My dough a little sticky, so I think that I left my dough a little overproof, but still manageable. Just a little sticky onto my hands. Now with the use of the bench scraper, I try to make it into the manageable dough, and I will put in the Benetton now. You notice that I already sprinkled some herbs and spices on the towel. You can see this is my tack on the Benetton, because today my recipe is big, 550 grams of flour, from which 500 grams of normal bread flour and 50 grams of whole wheat flour. So it's a big dough. So my normal Benetton is a little small for it. So I use the bowl that I wash vegetable. I use for it. Okay, so after I'm done, I sprinkle some of the flour and cover with the towel and put in the fridge overnight. And this is the next day. You can see that in the bowl that I used to wash my vegetables. I don't wash the vegetables directly in the sink. I normally don't wash the sink every day, so I use the bowl instead. Now you can see some of the turmeric leak out, and it's yellow, but it's okay. Now I sprinkle with rice flour. I want my scoring stand out. Today I will score the leaves design, like a pie leaves. So I sprinkle on over with rice flour. The purpose of use rice flour extends out your design. Now for the leaf, I use the string. This is kitchen toy to mark out my rectangle, like three size shape. It's a little not visible to you. You can bear it with me, and I will score with the blades, and you will see shortly. So after I score the overall, it will be the least. So I come back and score in the middle of this. Okay, now you can see a little better. Now I go in the middle and score the line to resemble the veins of the leaf. I give it a full without cutting videos here for you to variate it. If you want to do a leaves scoring like me, you notice that the go on of my blade is very gentle and shallow, because in my experience, if you do very heavy and deep cut, it will open. It when you back, the score will open very much, and you will have a different design. But here I just want subtle and let the outside be the star. You will see what I mean when I done baking. So I go on fire dump and score just like this. Like I said, very light and shallow. I take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my videos. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I know that to learn to do something is hard, and it's not to be. It's don't suppose. You are not supposed to be in the weed if with not knowing anything. I used to spend money and time, go to classes to learn how to do baking, cooking. So that over the time, that what I got. So I want to share on, I know, with you. So when you hear watching me doing things, if you can learn anything, that's a big reward for me. So please subscribe to show your support. That's what I need from you. Please share for everybody knows. So I have been doing video for a long time, but not enough 1,000 people yet. So it's a little discouraged about that. So if you're watching, please subscribe. Thank you. Now I use small scissors and go over and cut the edge. With this, you will the result. You will see like a pie leaves. I hope you can see clearly. If you have any question, please place in the comment section below. It's just like that. If you don't want to watch the whole thing, you can tour to the end and see the result. Now, when I'm doing it, I already turn on the oven at 450 degrees, and this is I open back. I saw people do the open back and good result. So today I'm trying. So I back first at 450 at 20 minutes, and then with the
Okay, you're on.
water underneath to create steam, and then turn up 375 for 20 minutes more or 10 minutes more, 15, it depends on your oven. And then I turn up the oven and leave it there for 10 more minutes. And this is the result. So what I'm in do the conclusion here. You can see that the scone come out perfectly. Beautiful design. The scrum. The scrum is very soft, and the herbs come through, the herbs and spices come through. When I cut like this, smells so good, and you can see the herb and crumb inside. The only thing I complain that it don't rise so much, so I like the Dutch oven better. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.